Locked the main gate of Bangladesh Secretariat in the capital. The government employees are protesting against a new service, ALW, which will allow easier dismissal of officials for misconduct. The protest started after Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus-led interim government published the revised version of the law allowing easier dismissal of officials for misconduct. The government employees threatened to continue the protest until the ordinance was scrapped. Professor Nalapa, 30 seconds I have, sir, but your position on the same as well. Do you feel that somewhere Muhammad Yunus is now writing his own end as far as his position as chief advisor is concerned?
Look, Devika, where was the great Bangladesh army, the highly secular, minority-loving Bangladesh army, when so much of genocide has already taken place? It was nowhere in sight. The fact is, but the generals are finally waking up because they realize that whatever America, China, the administrations may do, the reality is Bangladesh is cracking up. And it will not just be Hindu versus Muslim or Christian. It will be within the Muslims, the Shia, Sunni, within the Shia, within the Sunni, schisms will grow. It will be complete chaos. And the army now knows that. And that's why it's trying to put a stop to it. But after, frankly, a lot of the horses in the stable yard have bolted. I mean, how many minorities have had to be killed, executed, genocidally by these maniacs? And I agree. I mean, the BNP, of course, one can clutch at the BNP and say, oh no, BNP is there is a secular wing in that. But my fear is that this breakaway, so-called, may be even more radical
yes.
Than the original BNP. So frankly, in my view, Devika, is a very serious security situation. Let's not kid ourselves. And a time may come when intervention is needed. Indira Gandhi took, Sam Manakshaw told her, I need about a year to prepare. And she gave him that year. I don't know how long the armed forces will need to prepare. And our diplomatic offensive has got to be supercharged during that period, so that both combine together. Our communication strategy is to supercharge, and they all three combine together. But frankly, it's a very serious security threat, and we cannot afford to say, let's wait for it. The time is coming when the army does not act, well, some other armies may need to.
Okay,
Thank you.
All right. On that note, I thank both of our guests for joining us on the broadcast to take that conversation forward, but we have to sip into a very quick break.